Welcome to Infotrix Zone. Join us for our daily dose of quizzes from Islamic trivia to life science. Hit subscribe below and become part of our vibrant community of learners. Stick around till the end for a special challenge. A piece of wood is floating in the water. If we heat the water, the piece of wood will sink a little. A ship rises as it enters the sea from a river because the density of seawater is higher than that of the river water. When a person enters a dark room from bright lights, we cannot see anything clearly for some time. This is because the iris contracts. Cooking is quicker in a pressure cooker because it increases boiling point of water. The color of the sky looks blue because blue color of light is of shorter wavelength, so these waves are easily scattered by dust particles and water vapors. Why it is easier to swim in a sea than a river? Density of seawater is more than that of river. Seawater is saltier than rainwater because rivers wash away salts from earth and pour them into sea. Clear nights are colder than cloudy nights because of radiation. If a boy sitting in a railway train moving at constant velocity throws a ball straight up into the air, the ball will fall into his hands. Nights are cooler in the deserts because sand radiates heat less quickly as compared to earth. Thermos flask keeps a liquid hot because heat losses by conduction and radiation are largely prevented. A fresh egg sinks in pure water, whereas it floats in saturated salty water. This is because higher density of salty water. Existence on moon is not possible because of its weak gravitational power. Police use dogs for detective work because they can hear ultrasonic waves. Tiredness is felt on the top of the mountains because of low pressure outside the body. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.